Hello everyone, Chef John Guinevere, day 2, Dr. Jen's Carnivore Challenge. So what I got here is some chicken thigh meat, and I seasoned it with some Tandoori Masala. And you can mix it with sour cream and let it sit for a couple days if you want, or I just, sprinkle this on about a half hour ago, and I'm going to grill it on my grill pan, get some nice marks. And in the back, as you can see, I have some butter, a little bit of olive oil, garlic, and cilantro. That's going to be sort of my sauce. I'm going to add to it. Let me turn that down, and I'll be right back when I start grilling. Okay, I got my grill pan going pretty hot there. You can't really tell just yet how hot it is. And I browned the butter just a little bit, and put it on low so I get that garlic flavor really saturates the butter and the olive oil. Add a little salt and pepper to that. This is my chicken thigh meat. Everything is from Aldi. The cilantro, the butter, the olive oil. I love Aldi's. I go there. Although I did have to go on to Amazon to get this. Anyway, so I'm going to throw the chicken thigh meat down. And on this side, you have a lot more fat. And if you have a hot enough pan, all that fat will melt off as you cook it. So all that's going to go. Usually would want the pan a little hotter than that. I like to have it smoking, but it'll heat up fast. So I get it on full blast, and it's a big burner. And I'll be back. It's starting to smoke. If you've ever been out for tandoori, traditionally they put it on a skewer and they put it in a tandoor oven, which is in a clay. It's pretty dang hot. Cold generally. Anyway, so you actually want this smoking, and you want a little bit of charcoal, a little bit of burnt, a little bit of carbon 14 to form on chicken to really give it that tandoori flavor. Now, you don't have to use a boneless, skinless thigh meat. You could use breast meat. I just find breast meat too dry when I cook it properly, and I really love the thigh meat, and it's just so little work when it's already skinned and boned for you. Okay, we're smoking pretty good. I should have some nice grill marks on the other side. I'm gonna turn it over so it's looking a little charcoaly. I'm gonna just let it cook through, and we'll be back. I did turn the temperature down by half because that pan's getting pretty hot. So if I cook it at high on that other side, I'm probably going to burn more than I want before it gets cooked all the way through. Come along. A little peek there. Move it over. If you push on some meat, the heat will go through the meat faster and cook it faster. Nice thing about thigh meat, it has a fair amount of fat in it, so it doesn't dry out like a breast does. Chicken breast is very lean. So I turned the pan off. Been cooking this thing for about, I'd say 12 minutes total. It's almost done. What I'm going to let it just sit there and let the pan cool down. When I stop hearing some sizzling, I'm going to slice her up. Should be cooked all the way through. So I went ahead and sliced it up. As you can see, it's quite juicy, but it's just the slightest bit undercooked. And I have enough heat in my pan that I can easily just, don't even turning the flame on, finish cooking these pieces off before I eat them to make sure I don't get salmonella. Okay, the hard thing about carnivore diet is, it's a little more difficult. You think you're doing something sort of weird to your body, but at the end of the day, whether you do it for a week or a lifetime, that doesn't really matter. What matters is your health. And so this is my tandoori chicken with a little bit of cilantro and garlic. I'll probably scrape the rest of that on when I have two hands. Anyway, this is delicious. You could do as much as you want to eat. You're going to lose weight. It's amazing to go on this diet. You do feel better. It's just tough to stay on it. Anyway, tandoori chicken with thigh meat, all from Aldi except for the tandoori powder I used, and delicious and easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.